Now that we have set up and installed all the necessary packages for our course, we will download the first assignment and open it. So I have here Google Chrome and PyCharm. So in PyCharm, if I want to know exactly which folder I am, it is enough for me to point the mouse and then the computer will show me exactly which folder I am using as my project. If I also right-click in my project, I will have one option that is to show in Explorer, or in the Mac, show in Finder. If I click here, I will get open in Explorer or in Finder exactly the folder that has all the files of my project. So once I have that, what I can do is that I can go to Canvas, and in Canvas I have my assignments. In this case, I will open the first assignment. So I will click in the file that I should download, and in the folder I will select exactly the same folder as the one I have my project in. So what I will do is that I will open my C drive, and then I will open my users folder. In my case, my user is called Chalmers, and then I will open my folder PyCharm projects. Now I can see that my programming assignments project folder here that I can open, and then I can save my file there. So now I have saved my programming assignment file into my project folder. It's time to go back to PyCharm, and in PyCharm, if I expand the tree of my folder, I will already see this file here. However, I should not open these .ipynb files in PyCharm. I should use JupyterLab instead. So how do I run JupyterLab? Well, let me close this terminal window here to show you from the very beginning. Once I open my PyCharm, what I need to do to launch JupyterLab is I should go to Terminal, and in Terminal I should always make sure that I have my EEN065 environment activated. Then I can just type in the terminal Jupyter space lab and type enter. When I type enter, I will have in my browser JupyterLab opened, and this is the basic interface that I should be seeing. I will already see that I have a file of my programming assignment. If I double click here, this will open my programming assignment, and then I can execute and solve everything. So just to show you a little bit how it works, for instance, we have problem 1.1, and in red we have double click here to edit and place your answer. So if I double click in this part, I will be able to delete the content that I have, and I can type my answer. If I click in run the selected cell or Ctrl Enter, this cell will be run. It is also very important that whenever I open JupyterLab, I should come to the menu View and select Show Line Numbers. This will make it much easier, for instance, for when we have labs and we need to review your code and maybe give you some guidance, because now all the cells of my answers will have numbered lines. This is all for this video. Now we have the means to use JupyterLab and to solve our programming assignments. If you want to close JupyterLab, you should go back to PyCharm, and here in the terminal you just type Ctrl and C. With Ctrl and C, Jupyter Lab will shut down.